Saraheverard murder, Wayne Couzens given whole life sentence. Wayne Couzens abducted the 33-year-old as she walked home from a friend's house in South London on 3rd of March. During the sentencing of Couzens, the judge said the case was devastating, tragic and wholly brutal. Ms. Everard's family said they were relieved by the fact that Couzens would die in jail. Speaking to reporters outside the Old Bailey following his sentencing, Metropolitan Police Commissioner Dame Cressida said she recognized that a precious bond of trust had been damaged by Couzens, who had brought shame on the Met. Describing him as a coward, she said his crimes were a gross betrayal of everything policing stands for, adding, "I am so sorry." Michael Couzens has been jailed for 13 years for the kidnap, rape and murder of schoolgirl Alice Everard. The judge told him he had shown self-pity and attempts to avoid or minimize the proper consequences of his actions in a grotesque case. The Metropolitan Police's use of force to kidnap, rape and murder a lone victim is of equal seriousness as a murder for the purpose of advancing a political, religious or ideological cause, Metropolitan Police Commissioner Neil Boshu has told an Old Bailey hearing. Reacting to the sentencing, Ms. Everard's family said they were pleased with the full life term, adding that although nothing can make things better, nothing can bring Sarah back. Knowing he will be imprisoned forever brings some relief. Wayne Couzens held a position of trust as a police officer, and we are outraged and sickened that he abused this trust in order to lure Sarah to her death. Read a statement from the family of murdered schoolgirl Sarah Houghton, who was 17 at the time. Couzens's crimes were described as warped, selfish and brutal by the judge. The Metropolitan Police Commissioner Dame Cressida was in court for the sentencing. Home Secretary Preeti Patel says the Met Police will be held to account over the case. MPs did not envisage such a serious crime when they wrote the law for the death penalty. The kidnap, rape and murder of Sarah Everard was as bad as terrorism, the Court of Appeal has ruled. It undermined trust in the police, part of the bedrock of a safe society.
If you haven't done yet, please subscribe our channel.